Many learners feel unsure about the difference between in the middle of and in the center of. They sound similar, but they are not always used in the same way. In this episode, we'll clearly understand how in the center of is used and what makes it special. Welcome back to our prepositions and position word series. In the previous episode, we learned in the middle of, which describes something between two ends. Today, we'll learn in the center of, which focuses on the exact central point. In the center of means positioned at the exact middle point, equally distant from all sides. It is more precise and more exact than in the middle of. For example, the vase is in the center of the table. This tells us the vase is placed at the exact central point, not slightly to one side. In the middle of is more general and flexible. In the center of is more exact and precise. When accuracy matters, in the center of is the better choice. In rooms, we say, the rug is placed in the center of the room. This shows the rug is evenly positioned from all sides. For public spaces, this phrase is very common. There is a fountain in the center of the square. A common mistake is using at the center of for physical position. When something is inside and surrounded, the correct phrase is in the center of. For example, the logo is printed in the center of the page. This clearly shows exact balance on all sides. To remember this easily, think of balance. If something is equally distant from all sides, it is in the center of. Now that the meaning is clear, let's move into daily life sentence examples. As we go through them, notice how in the center of always describes an exact and balanced position. Let's start with a very clear example. The bowl is placed in the center of the table. This shows exact positioning. Now, let's look at a people example. The teacher stood in the center of the room. This shows equal distance from all sides. Let's move to directions. There is a statue in the center of the park. This helps people find it easily. Now consider writing and design. The title is written in the center of the poster. This creates visual balance. Let's look at celebrations. The candle is placed in the center of the cake. This shows careful placement. Now look at a technical example. There is a dot in the center of the circle. This is a very precise use. Let's move to photography. He is standing in the center of the photo. This shows importance or focus. Now imagine interior design. The rug lies in the center of the living room. Again, exact balance is shown. Let's look at accuracy. The arrow hit the center of the target. This is a perfect central hit. Finally, here's another clear example. The market is located in the center of the town. This shows central location. Let's recap. In the center of is used for exact, balanced positions. It is more precise than in the middle of and is often used when accuracy matters. That's how we use the phrase in the center of. It helps describe exact central position clearly and naturally. In the next episode, we'll move into directional place prepositions and learn along. Keep watching and continue mastering English step by step.